Hi, I am Agni. We are from Group 10 and my group members are Aprajita, Seema, Ramya and Yogesh. Our project name is Yelp to Help Better. Here is the outline. During the course of the presentation, we will be discussing on the problem statement and the objective of the project, facts and figures related to the project, proposed solution for some of the problems identified in the existing system, design of the business process model, interface prototype, benefits availed if the new features are implemented, future scope. All of us would have experienced long waiting times at restaurants and we all know how frustrating it is. Here is a video showing how the customers are impacted when they do not know the occupancy rate and wait times at their favorite restaurants.
Tired of rushing your meals simply because you spent too much time queuing? Hate to stand around simply because there are no seats available? Remember that sense of disappointment when you traveled all the way to the food outlet only to realize that it was closed? We have good news. Your mealtime experience doesn't have to stay that way.
We all know that Yelp is one popular application that everyone uses. It is the most popular social networking site that focuses on reviewing businesses and sharing information on them. Most of us use Yelp.com to find restaurants near us, to get reviews about restaurants, to make reservations, to get opening hours, etc. The existing system lacks some of the most important features which, if incorporated, will benefit the customers and restaurants. Existing system does not provide average wait time for a restaurant, occupancy rate or the rating on a menu level to know the best rated dish. It will be nice to know the best rated dish in a particular restaurant without searching through recommended reviews in Yelp before visiting the restaurant or making call to a restaurant. Our project is intended towards improving Yelp by adding these useful features. Here is a survey that was taken for 267 restaurant owners and managers that was released by one of the leading supplier of technology that enhances the guest experience. It says that 30% of the customers spend their time waiting in the queue for 10 to 20 minutes at busy restaurants before the table is allocated. To get the experience of the restaurant better, it is always good to know that the popular dish at the restaurant preferred by the most customers. To make this happen, we are proposing a feature where customers can rate a particular dish and provide review, which will help other customers to know about the popular dishes at the restaurant. Let us look at a video that shows how customer satisfaction is impacted based on restaurant wait time.
The main role of the host is to greet and seat the customers at a table. They are the face of the restaurant and therefore play an important role in customer satisfaction. The current role of a host in a restaurant includes managing the waitlist when the restaurant is at capacity. They are tasked with providing estimates to potential customers on the time required for the next available table. Currently, they do this by simply estimating. This results in inaccurate predicted wait times. It is crucial for a restaurant to be able to provide the most accurate time possible. Too long of a time can deter customers and result in reduced revenue. Too short of a time leads to unhappy, hungry customers.
So here is how we are addressing this problem. Let us see how we are calculating the occupancy rate and displaying it in Yelp. Occupancy rate is calculated at restaurant level and the information is sent to Yelp. Our solution is based on crowdsourcing technique where the customer check-in and check-out data is used to calculate the occupancy rate. Whenever a customer places an order, the restaurant will update the restaurant system with the order information for a particular table. For instance, if a restaurant has 10 tables and all the tables are available, Yelp should show the information as 100% free. When a customer checks in and places an order, the order information is updated in the restaurant system, which will update the table information and compute the occupancy rate accordingly. Also, since restaurant system will maintain the reservation data, we are considering the online reservation, phone reservation when computing the occupancy rate for a particular time. This is the business process model for calculating the occupancy rate.
The other functionality we have proposed is calculating the average wait time. Let us see how we are going about it. The average wait time is calculated every time the restaurant occupancy rate is full. We are calculating the average wait time, or how fast a table becomes available, by dividing the dining time per table by the number of tables. The dining time data is retrieved using previously maintained restaurant data. Here is the business process model for the functionality. For example, there are 10 tables that seat 2 people in a restaurant, and you estimate that each couple takes 90 minutes to complete their meal. Then a table of 2 becomes available every 9 minutes. We are also considering the reservation data and restaurant queue data. This wait time is displayed on maps within Yelp for easier access and visibility. Here is the interface prototype for displaying the occupancy rate and average wait time. As you can see here, the occupancy for this restaurant is only 70%, and hence there is no average wait time. This interface prototype shows the average wait time on the map. With this feature, the Yelp users will get easier access and visibility of the restaurant's wait time.
Let's see how we are including a feature to rate a dish within Yelp. The proposed solution provides the user with the ability to rate a dish on Yelp menu for a particular restaurant. This is classic crowdsourcing technique. It can help other Yelp users to know about the best dish in a restaurant by looking at the rating rather than going through all reviews. Here is the business process diagram for the proposed system. A customer can search particular restaurant, and when customer retrieves the Yelp menu, each dish will have a star rating that can be used to rate a particular dish. This is the prototype for a rate a dish functionality. Here you can see the average rating for a dish and also rate the dish in any menu. Now talking about the benefits, here are the benefits for the proposed features for all the 3 stakeholders. Main benefit for customer are that customer will have the flexibility to plan their trip to restaurant. They no longer have to spend time waiting in queue. They can see waiting time on Yelp and plan their trip accordingly. Customer will be able to rate dishes in Yelp menu by which other customer can benefit from. Restaurant will benefit by managing the customers efficiently, as the number of people waiting in queue will be reduced. Also, Yelp will benefit as there will be increase in utilization of the existing Yelp system.
The future scope of this project is as follows. Collecting real-time data from restaurants will help in maintaining the occupancy rate and the average wait time accurately. Using the data of different days of the week, we can calculate the average wait time to reflect the actual wait time for any day. These features can also be implemented in other business within Yelp, such as salons, health and medical services, etc. By providing a feature in order to order food before arriving at the restaurant, we can improve the existing reservation system. This is how our proposed project can help people. Thank you.